it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how.
Well, hello all my beautiful friends out there in YouTube land, and welcome back to the Hewitt Homestead. Again, guys, we are so glad that you have joined us. Thank you for being here with us. We are on a crazy adventure we call in life, and out here trying to develop this raw land into our off-grid homestead. And a lot of work, a lot of hard times, a lot of good times. Thanks for being here, y'all. Today on the homestead, well, can't call it a homestead yet, but today on the land, we have more dirt coming. So, this shovel. So as you've seen in the previous videos, we had several loads of dirt and crushed dropped off. We spread it, we thought we were good, and then we had tried to get the delivery of a shipping container out here. And we learned quickly that we did not have a very good area prepared. So they chewed up what we had done. We've got some serious ruts here. We got some serious ruts up there on the container pad. The driveway is looking okay right down the middle, but you can see when you get wide vehicles, dump trucks and stuff in here, and they go just a little bit off of that crushed there. Whoo-wee! Gets rough quick. So today I'm expecting more dirt, and I am going to, and getting more crushed as well. We've decided we're going to put our travel trailer right here, kind of catty corner, almost at this angle right here. So the back of it will be up against that power pole if we choose to turn the power onto this property. Right now, I want to keep it off grid. So tractor guy's coming tomorrow. Dirt's supposed to be here today, although I shot him a text this morning and I haven't heard back from him. We're going to get it done. We're going to get it done. Things don't always go according to plan. That's why you got to have a plan to start with and work it the best you can. What I'm going to do now, in preparation for tomorrow, the dirt guy can spread this dirt here. I got to get these stumps. Got to get these stumps cut down more flush to the ground. We're just going to bury them. I'm not trying to pull them all the way out. They're just little stumps, but try to get them cut down flush to the ground so they don't stick out. That. it all the way back to here. It's kind of a little sunken area right here. So it sounds like it's still PVC pipe. But this is far enough over. If I can unearth this and tap into this, this would be good. It's right beside the power pole. All of the important stuff will be kind of protected by being close to this. Right here is a anchor for the power pole that's been popped off, but I'm sure if we ever decide to put this back into service, that will want to be used by the power company. So this is good. See the groundwater seeping in, but there's our pipe. I was off just a little bit. Well, Catherine and the kids came out just in time for the rain, so we've been hanging out hoping that it would pass, but we're looking at the radar and it's not going to pass anytime soon. So she's going to get out of here. She's still down there by the water, waiting for her to come up and go through the gauntlet. A little stretch of drive right here from there to there is quite muddy. But that is one of the things that we're going to fix when we get this dirt out here eventually. Not today, too rainy. I'll have to get with the dirt guy and see when it's going to come. Here it comes. Go fast! Go, 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 go! And that's why it's good to have four-wheel drive. That's going to be it from the Hewitt Homestead today, y'all. Thanks for joining us. If you haven't, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends on social media. We love you guys. God bless you, and we'll see you again real soon.